Hey guys, what's going on? It's your girl Roxy here, and I want to welcome you to today's video. So today is a special kind of video because I get a lot of you guys emailing me and asking me questions regarding posing, specifically posing for figure. And I do a lot of posing sessions for clients who are my rock stars and even women who are not my clients, but they are my posing clients. So I had asked their permission if I can record the parts of the posing sessions that I've recorded, if I can share those with you guys, if I feel like I'm talking about something that I think will be really beneficial for our audience overall. When I'm working with a client, I always record video for them so that way they can go back and watch the session. And I always drop these amazing gems that I'm like, oh my gosh, I have to share that. I have to do a video on that. And it's just so much easier, I think, to just show it to you in its native form. So today we're going to be talking about posing for figure. And more specifically, I want to talk about the side pose because I see a lot of competitors on stage making some very fixable mistakes when it comes to the side pose. And I want to show you how you can do it better. And also, I want you to make sure you watch this entire video because the first part of the video, I'm going to be introducing you to my client. Her name is Ursula, and she's one of my figure competitors. And she's getting ready to step on stage in a couple of weeks, and we're really trying to perfect her side pose. And what I noticed with her side pose is that she's leaning a little bit too far forward, and that's a common mistake for a lot of competitors. And the other thing that she tends to do is she wasn't twisting enough in her upper body so that way we can really see her X-frame from the side, because that is what the judges are looking for. Now, the first part of the video, I'm going to introduce you to that and show you what the problems are and how we're working out the solution. And then the second part of the video, which is what you really want to make sure you watch, is I'm going to give you a mobility exercise that I'm teaching to all of my clients to help them to perfect their side pose. So when you go ahead and implement this into your own posing routine, I promise you it's going to change everything for you from night and day difference. So let's go ahead and jump right into this posing session and stay to the very end because I have something that I want to tell you if you're interested in working with me for posing. Okay, so we're talking about right now perfecting this side pose. And like I said, you're leaning forward a little bit too much. So go back into the side pose, exactly what you've done. Don't change anything. So go into the side pose. Do what you've been doing. Don't change anything. Good. All right, so there's a little bit too much of a forward lean. So what I need you to do is just shake it out for a minute, okay? So there is going to be a slight, there's going to be an arch in the lower back when you do the side pose because what we want to see is the development of your glutes and how they tie into the hamstrings in the back there. And in order to really bring out those lines, you can't stand straight up and down with a straight spine, right? Because that's going to flatten out the butt and everything. So you want to arch your lower back up. And for a lot of people, what the next thing that has to happen, well, not just about everybody because of the shape of the spine, right? You're going to have to pitch your body a little bit forward, but you don't want to go too far forward, all right? So it's only just a little shift to allow for that hip to come up to show off the glutes and the hamstrings. And then we also get to see how tiny your waist is. If you lean forward too far, then you lose that illusion of the tiny waist in that pose, okay? So you still need to stand up a little bit straighter and then go for a big twist to bring that back shoulder to the front so we can actually see the top of the triangle. Remember, the judges are trained to see the X-frame, and we're still looking for that X-frame from the side, okay? So let's go ahead into that side pose again. Right, so glutes up, there you go. So relax for a second, stand up tall, don't move. Just stand up, drop your arms by your sides. Don't do anything with your arms, just let them stand. Now stand up tall. Don't get your hips underneath you. I feel like your hips are like leaning back. I want you to stand straight up and down, right there, straight spine. Now from here, all I want you to do, relax your arms, do not do anything with them, okay? Lift your glutes up in the air, arch your lower back. More, can you get the glutes up more in the air? Good, now send your chest and your boobs up to the other side of the room. Very good. Now, feel like you're flexing the legs slightly just to show off the muscularity that you do have. From here, do not do anything with your arms. The waist is going to twist around and the shoulders are going to follow. So twist towards me. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Keep your eyes forward. There. Stand up taller. Yes, right there. Don't move your body. Don't move your torso. Twist a little bit more to me. Yeah, and did you feel how you kind of rotated your hips forward even more and you rotated your upper body against that, that's kind of the sensation you need to have. Now come on over, get those shoulders to me. Feel what it feels like. Stay here. Do not move. Don't undo that twist. You got to keep twisting like a corkscrew. Come to me. Keep it going. Do not get out of it. You've got to hold it there. Stay, stay, stay. Chest up even more. Big smile. Like this is the best thing that you could ever be doing in your life. Good. And relax. That was much better. Okay. So it's that corkscrew sensation. Where's my corkscrew? But it's a corkscrew. Okay, it's like this, and when you're twisting, that corkscrew just keeps twisting, twisting up, twisting up. Take a nail and just like go like that with a nail, and you kind of see it, right? And it's like you just have always have this spiraling sensation, this little spiral. You always have that in your torso when you're doing the side pose. So I was telling you, when you do your side pose now, I don't want you to think about leaning forward, because what happens with your body physically and you connect that mental picture is you start pitching forward. And that's what we don't want. So I just want you to actually just twist. Just twist your shoulders. Think about, yeah, that's what I need you to do right here. Now, let's talk about mobility for a second. Put your hands on your shoulders just like this. Okay, so get your feet apart. Stand with your feet about shoulder width or hip width, right there. All right, now I need you to learn how to do this twist because I feel like you're not twisting enough. And you seeing your arms coming to, yes, to this direction will help you to be able to learn what the twist feels like. So I literally want you to be able to feel like you can open up your shoulders that much. So go for the twist again, big twist around, keep going right there, stay. Now, you want to be careful not to over twist. Your elbows should be facing the side walls, each of their own, right? And your hips now, keep your chest there and your shoulders and waist and everything there. Keep twisting. So in order to hold this position, you have to keep actively twisting. What this is this is an isometric contraction of your obliques right now. Your obliques are working. The obliques on the side that's closest to the camera is what's working. And now it's contracted and you have to hold the contraction. All right. So it's an active position. The other thing that needs to happen is opposite that. The hips need to stay like feel like they're staying forward. So you have this twisting action and you're going to just hold it there. Just stay and try to get as flat as you can. Keep going with it. Stay. Do not move. Do not move. Hold there. Stay right there. Keep twisting around. Come on. Keep it moving. This is an active position. Posing is not still at any point. Keep those hips and the navel facing forward as much as you can. So there's an opposition. That's the corkscrew sensation right here. When you really master that, we're going to start seeing the serratus pop out as well as the obliques even more defined. Pull your belly in as tight as you can here. Keep those arms lifted up. Stay. Hold. 5 seconds to hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shake it out. Wow, right? Very good. What does that feel like for you? What do you feel when you're doing that?
I didn't realize I could twist that much.
You didn't like the twist that much?
No, I said I didn't realize I could twist that much.
Right, exactly. So that's one thing that you can work on. Try to get that sensation because that's what it is. Here's the next step. So you get here. We're going to hold for 10 seconds. You're going to just drop your arms. You're not going to pose them or do anything. You're just going to let them fall by your side. Do not overpose. Do not flex. You don't need any of that. It's just a framing of your body. Right now, that back arm, that back arm is fine. That's close to your body. This other arm does not, you don't want it to be all the way out there. Let your hand come close to your glute. Closer. You should be able to feel your glute. Yes, right there. That is the line. Can you keep on twisting? Is the question. There you go. Stay. Hold. Don't lean forward. Stand up tall. There. Hold. Stay. And I'm going to take a picture. Good. Relax. Shake it out. Very good. Nice adjustment. Okay. Does that feel clearer to you? What are your thoughts on that?
Yeah, night and day. Totally. Yeah. I was like, I had no clue why I was doing all this stuff. I was like,
Yeah. Well, I mean, that's what posing lessons are for, right? To learn. Let's try it on the other side now because we got to get it on the other side to get that muscle memory going. Okay, so just go ahead and twist. That's all you need to do. Big twist. Arms up. Keep going. Hold here for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Belly in. 5, 4, 3, 2. Hips forward. There. Yes. Okay. Okay. Now we got to hold for a whole 10 new seconds. Stay right there. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. When you watch this video, I want you to see your lines popping out. 3, 2. Do not move. Just let your arms drop and frame your body. Get them close in. Get those arms close to your body. Get them all the way in. Good. Hold. That back arm can come closer to your body even still. Not that one, the other one. Yes, that one. Bring it close to the body. Bring it in. Touch your body. Touch it, touch it, touch it, touch it, touch it. Just let it go now. Let it relax. Good. And stay. Hold. Good. So you don't want the arms to be out here floating. We don't want floating arms. We want to see your physique. So you have to drop this arm. Ideally, it can be on your body, like touching the inside leg, or just dangling down from your body a couple of maybe two or 3 inches away from you. And the other one, the downstage arm, that hand, you should be able to feel your glutes with your pinky. It should just come right to your side here. Okay, so the arms are not out here somewhere. They frame you. All right, try it again. Arms up to here. Twist, hold for 10. Good. Get those hips forward. Hips forward. So the hips don't want to move. Only upper body. Obliques. There. Stay. Think obliques, obliques, obliques. Pull the tummy in. Breathe from your upper chest. Don't move the abdominals. Leave the diaphragm alone. There you go. Stay there. How tiny can you get your waist? How much air can you expel from the cavity of your torso? That's what the judges are looking for. I don't want to see those abs move. Move the air to your upper lungs. Breathing from up here. That's right. Push your shoulders down. Stay. Now frame your body with your arms all the way down. Hold. Stay. Good. Hold. Big twist. A little bit more. Boom. Right there. That's it, girl. Yes. Beautiful. Good. And relax. That last moment, you had breathed out, and you had also like contracted your abs in a little bit, and I stopped seeing your stomach coming in and out in that position. Your stomach stopped moving. So notice how everything is always active. Nothing's out there hanging and just like, going. Side pose is a very active pose. It's a rotational pose, and the obliques lead the way. Okay, does that make sense?
Yeah, it feels so much better. I mean, it makes a lot of sense.
Good.
I mentally, check in with my body.
Absolutely. Absolutely. All right. Well, I hope that this was really informative for you. I hope that you got a lot out of this video. And I just say, when you're working on posing, you should really be working on posing like almost every day when you're in contest prep. People don't realize how hard it is to pose in any of the divisions. And more importantly, how hard it is to pose on stage when you are depleted, when you're at the end of a prep, you're under hot lights, and you're dehydrated. Honey, it is not easy, but if you practice, it becomes easier over time. So make sure that you're practicing your posing. Speaking of that, if you're interested in working with me for posing, you can come on over to my website, roxyfitness.com/posing, and go ahead and set up a 1-hour posing session with me. Yes, one-on-one. And I do them for any division. I work with bikini. I work with figure. I specialize in figure. I specialize in women's physique. And I also work with wellness competitors as well. So come on in. Let me fix you up. Let me help you look amazing out there on stage. Come on over to my website and request an appointment. Fill out an application. We'll get you started. The sessions will be about an hour long, and you'll have some video and pictures from the session to be able to watch on your own so you can continue to work. And I can work with competitors over any federation. So just come on by, let me know what you need. All right, thank you so much for watching. Make sure that you give this video a thumbs up right now. If you have any comments or questions you want to go ahead and share, put it down in the comments. I'll definitely be able to touch base with you there. And if you are not subscribed, honey, you got to get on my channel. Subscribe right now and make sure you hit the bell notifications and set it to all notifications so you don't miss a single thing. And I will see you on the next one. Bye.